Look at that, a mushroom, sitting there, innocent, cute, harmless. It is none of those things. What you see above ground isn't the mushroom. It's just the fruit. The real body lives underground, for kilometers. Below your feet right now, a web, threads thinner than spider silk, billions of them, older than most land life. This is mycelium,
Hi.
the actual fungus. A single teaspoon of forest soil holds kilometers of it. A teaspoon. For hundreds of millions of years, this web has been connecting trees. Fungal threads wrap around and into tree roots. They fuse. An ancient partnership. Trees send down sugars. Fungi send up water and minerals the trees can't reach. But the network doesn't stop at one tree. It links thousands, a single continuous web across the forest. Scientists call it the mycorrhizal network. You probably know it as the Wood Wide Web. In the 1990s, Suzanne Simard proved it. She traced carbon moving from one tree through the fungus into completely different species. Some ancient trees act as hubs, mother trees. They funnel resources to struggling seedlings nearby. A tiny seedling in deep shade gets sugar delivered through the network, from trees it has never seen. The forest feeds its children. Beautiful, right? A generous, interconnected community. Nature's neighborhood group chat. We'll come back to that. Because the network doesn't just move food, it moves warnings. When a tree is attacked by insects or drought, it sends chemical signals through the mycelium. Neighboring trees receive the message. They start producing defensive chemicals before the threat arrives. The whole forest goes on high alert, thanks to a fungus. For years, the story was pure magic, cooperation, sharing, harmony. Then scientists looked closer. Fungi aren't trees. They're not doing this out of kindness. Sometimes they take more sugar than they give back. A fungal tax. The Wood Wide Web sounds friendly. It's closer to a mycorrhizal mafia. The fungus controls the roads and always takes its cut. Some fungi play favorites. Strong trees get priority. Weak ones get throttled. Others skip the trade entirely. They just steal. That's how ghost plants survive. Pale, leafless, sucking sugar from the network without giving anything back. And some fungi don't even pretend to be partners. They hunt. They build microscopic loops in the soil. A nematode brushes one. The loop snaps shut, and the fungus digests the worm alive. This isn't a plant. This is a predator. The peaceful forest floor is actually a battlefield of negotiation, exploitation, and quiet predation. Now consider Oregon. Beneath the Blue Mountains lies one single fungus, stretching across 965 hectares, over 10 square kilometers. That's larger than 1,300 football fields, and it's between 2,000 and 8,000 years old. 8,000 years. This is the largest known organism on Earth. Not a whale, not a sequoia, a fungus. And it's a pathogen. It slowly kills the trees above it. The forest doesn't see it coming until it's too late. The same web that feeds seedlings also spreads this slow plague. Cooperation and exploitation, help and harm, running through the exact same infrastructure. And that polite little mushroom you see above ground? It's only there for a few days to release spores. The real organism never needs to show its face. You are not looking at the forest. You are looking at its leaves. We've barely scratched the surface. Most fungal species remain unnamed. Most of the network is still unknown. Next time you walk through a forest, don't look at the trees. Look at the ground. The ground is the organism. The trees are just its latest project. And that innocent mushroom? Still sitting there. Now with a faint glow from below. It always was.